Guys, I wanted to thank Sprint Moving Company for coming so last minute to look after this move. If you could pay attention to this table, this was a gift from my great uncle.
Absolutely.
We take care of all our customers' furniture just like it was our own.
It's going down at home. Maybe you don't have to be alone. You could find a place to call your own. Don't sacrifice yourself to do what you don't want to.
Okay, Chris, we're done loading your stuff.
So yeah, we'll just meet you over at the other place.
Perfect, we'll see you there.
All right. All right, this is the last thing. Let's close her down.
A lot of the business supplies, the desk and the boardroom table will come down here, and then the 10-year-old Alex's stuff will go upstairs, and then some of the beds will go downstairs.
Great.
Perfect, okay. All right, Chris, we're all done here.
Is everything done to your satisfaction?
You guys have been fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Beautiful. All right, have a good night.
Matt, I wanted to thank you and your team for taking care of the move. They took great care of all of our furniture, and I didn't even have to lift a finger.
Well, Chris, that's what we do at Sprint Moving Service. We pride ourselves in taking care of your prized possessions. That's why we like to say, make the easy move.